how to identify the number of electrons or atomic number, the group, the period, and the block of elements using the SPDF electronic configuration. Very simple. For instance, the first one, number 1, your atomic number, which is the number of electrons, is gotten by adding the superscript, the numbers at the top. This is 2 plus 2, 4, plus 6, 10, plus 1, 11. That means it has 11 electrons. How do you know the group? You identify the group by checking the last S orbital downward. So now, the last S is bearing just 1. That means it is in what? Group 1. How do you know the period? The highest number behind the orbital tells you of the period. And the highest number here is 3. That means this is in what? Period 3. It has 3 shells. And lastly, how do you know the block? The orbital carrying the last electron tells you of the block. So that means this is a block S element. So that means number 1 is in 11 electrons, is in group 1, period 3, and block S. To the next one, the number of electrons, 2, 4, 10, 12, 16. It has 16 electrons, group what? This is the last S. Add it with the subsequent ones. This is 2, 4, that's 6. That means it is in group 6. Period what? The last or highest number behind the orbital. That's 3. Is in period 3 in your periodic table, and it's in block what? Block P. Let's take one more. Let's take number 4. AR means argon. Argon is 18. Then plus 1 is 19. That means the atomic number is 19. 19 electrons. How do we know the group? The last S is bearing a 1. That is in group 1. How do you know the period? The highest number, which is 4. This is in period 4. It has 4 shells. And how do you know the block? Last orbital is in what? Block S. Very simple. If you understand this, try number 3 and put your answer in the comment section.